Welcome to Zoom. Enter your meeting ID followed by pound. Enter your participant ID followed by pound. Otherwise, just after the tone, please record your name. When you have finished recording, press pound. You are in the meeting now. There are 7 participants in the meeting.
Order, Commissioner Transu, would you call the roll, please?
Yes. Commissioner Boyd? Here. Commissioner Guster?
Here.
Commissioner Lopez? Oh, are you muted?
President.
Okay. Commissioner Pecora?
Sorry, guys, I'm trying to figure
Here.
this out.
Commissioner Reyes? I don't see her. Okay. Commissioner Upchurch Taylor?
Present.
And Commissioner Transu here. We have 6 of our 7.
Okay. Oh. Hold on just 1 sec, please. Hello. Hold on just 1 moment. Hey guys, let me take this call right quick. It should take me just about 2 minutes. Hold on a second.
Well, I'm at Just Economy.
Yeah. How's that going?
It's marvelous.
Good, good.
I'm going to have to miss a session to be here on the phone with our commission.
Oh. Yeah, I've been seeing some of the posts from Cody
Okay.
online, and I didn't know if you had any on there yet or not.
Okay, guys, sorry about that. I had to take that phone call right quick. So, anyway, back to our meeting here. We are now at the approval of the agenda. Can we put the agenda up, please?
Is it not sharing? I
Um,
see it.
I don't see it.
yeah, I do. Over to the left.
Oh. Okay, now I see it.
I move the approval of the agenda.
I second the motion.
Okay.
Director Lacy, can you put the agenda up?
It's showing as sharing on my
Yeah.
screen. Can you all not see it?
If
Yeah.
you
I
move
can.
to the left, move to the left. You
I
can see
do.
it.
I see it.
I had to move to the left to see it.
Can you see it, Commissioner Guster?
I'm sorry, my speaker was turned down. What did you say, Director Lacy?
Is it showing on your screen yet? I stopped and then restarted.
Okay.
Can you see it now?
Yes, I'm sorry. Okay. Can I get approval of the agenda? Can I get a motion to accept the agenda, please?
Yeah, Commissioner
Commissioner Upchurch Taylor moves to accept the agenda for today.
I second the motion.
It's been properly moved by Commissioner Upchurch Taylor and second by Commissioner Boyd. Are there any questions to the? Go ahead. Are there any questions to the motion? Any questions to the motion? There being no questions to the motion, all in favor say aye.
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 All opposed say no. Motion is carried. Thank you very much. Okay, the minutes for our regular meeting, can we put those up, please? Okay, here are our minutes for our regular meeting. Are there any corrections? Any corrections?
I move that the minutes of the regular meeting be accepted.
Give a second.
I'll second it. It doesn't matter.
It was properly moved by Commissioner Boyd to accept the regular minutes. It was second by Commissioner Transu. Are there questions to the motion? Questions to the motion? There being no questions, all in favor of the motion say aye.
Aye.
All opposed say no. The ayes have it. Motion is carried. We will now review our special meeting minutes. Are there any questions to the special meeting on May 17th? If not, can I get a motion to accept the minutes, approve the minutes?
I move that the minutes be accepted for the special meeting, May 17th.
Give a second.
Commissioner Upchurch Taylor, second.
It's been properly moved by Commissioner Boyd, second by Commissioner Upchurch Taylor. Any questions to the motion? Any questions to the motion? There being no questions to the motions, all in favor say aye. Aye.
Aye.
Aye.
All opposed say no. The ayes have it. The minutes of special meeting minutes of May 13th. May 17th is approved. Thank you very much. Okay. We are now down to the director's report. Director Lacy.
All right. Not sure why it keeps zooming out every time I switch page. We had no racist letters issued in the month of May. There were 5 employment cases settled in May. 4 of the 5 cases were related. They kind of originated out of 2 complaints that were involving allegations of disability discrimination. And then there were additional complaints filed regarding retaliation for the original person who filed their disability claim, and then for their assistance in helping a coworker with their disability claim. And then there was a second disability claim that was filed for additional actions that happened at a later date. Those were settled outside of our mediation process in conjunction with a workers' compensation claim. The disability claim involved a workplace injury. There was a 5th complaint involving allegations of sex discrimination and retaliation. That was a relatively new case. That one also settled outside of our process through the complainant's attorney. So they worked with the respondent's attorney to settlement. I conducted a Davenport presentation regarding our office, continuing to monitor COVID, the impact on our office functions. I'm a little concerned about
I see. I can't. Excuse me, Director Lacy, I can't hear you. You keep going in and out. Is it just me?
I see my microphone. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Now I can hear you.
Hi, it might be my microphone. Sorry about that.
That's okay.
I'm continuing to monitor the COVID-19 rates and the impact on the office functions, and I'm a little worried about our conference with having so many people in person and the rates continuing to go up, but hopefully it'll all be fine. We're working on case resolution documents and litigation. I completed the training presentation and documentation for the sessions during the training. We met with our presenters for the event. So we should have all of that finalized and receiving the rest of their documentation that they would have for us to hand out to participants. So we are going to be compiling the paperwork in the next couple of weeks, and then stuff all in the binders, and we have those to give out. Civil rights specialists worked on the Title VII training preparation. They conducted a training for the City of Davenport City Bus staff members on Title VII. And then we are still looking to figure out which commissioners are going to volunteer for the anniversary event and which days. I know the dates of the event, there is an expectation that the commissioners are going to be attending the session. So if there's anyone who could help us during the week of June 27th to compile all of the documentation and get stuff in the binders and get that organized, if you could let me know, that would be helpful. And I think that's it. That's all I have. Oh, and then we received our ICRC contract after this was all submitted, so that'll be added to the agenda for next month's meeting. That's all I have.
Director Lacy, is that something that can be done before the 27th? I'm scheduled to be out of town that week. Is that something that can be done prior to that time, or because I'm gonna be gone the whole week, and I'd like to volunteer and participate and volunteer my time to help out in some kind of way there.
I think that's all we need. For right now, it's just getting the documentation put into the binders, and we are awaiting the receipt of all of the documentation from the presenters. And we want to get it all at the same time. That way, when we print it, it can print out on whole punch paper and then just be taken directly from the printer and put in the binders.
Okay. Well, hopefully, do we have any commissioners that are available to help with that during the week of the 27th?
If I'm back from Dallas with my granddaughter event, I'm due back on the 26th. But if I'm back by the 27th, I can help.
Commissioner,
I can help also.
Commissioner Picaro or Transu?
I indicated that I would help on the day of the event.
Nothing before.
I
Nothing
can't,
before.
if it's on June 27th in the morning, especially, I have to work at 3, but I can do anything before then on the 27th. What
Okay.
It
time?
could be anytime during that week. So if you just let me know what works for you, we can schedule time for you to come down and have everything set up.
It'll work for me best from the 28th on.
Okay.
Mr. Lopez? Commissioner Lopez, are you with us?
He's muted.
Yeah, no, he said he was having some problems with
No.
something there. Commissioner Lopez, if you can hear me, please, if you can assist in some kind of way during that week, please send Director Lacy a note indicating that if you can participate. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yep.
All right. let's move on. Case status report, May 2022. Director Lacy.
That was the information given in the beginning of the director's report, and then the full
Okay.
case status report is within the packet.
Okay. Also, let me just back up a moment. I did send the mayor, the city administrator, the assistant police chief, and the city council a personal invitation to attend the our celebration, 60-year anniversary celebration. So I'm hoping that they will be present. At least, if not all of it, part of the anniversary celebration, and send some key players within the city department as well as the police department to attend this conference. I have a meeting of Jeff, Commissioner Transu, board, and myself have a meeting with the mayor and the city administrator, and I will highlight that again tomorrow. I think it gives us a great opportunity to present some very vital information to city staff and members of the community about how and why we make decisions as we do, as it affects as it is relevant to what discrimination, how it affects from the federal level, and just how we look at cases over here. So I think it would be a very educational process for them all, to include the city council. And I'm going to make a telephone call to each of the city councils and see if I can encourage them to be there as well. So what would be
Are we able to have the mayor proclaim it, make a proclamation of the week or the day or anything?
We can find that out tomorrow when we visit with them.
Okay.
Okay. That's all I have on that. We don't have anything under new business. Old business, this is a very short meeting here. Am I missing something, Director Lacy, here? Because we're not going to look at the approval of our new contract with our Civil Rights Commission until next month. Is that what you just said?
Yep, that'll be on next month's agenda.
Okay. All right. I don't see anything on old business. So, do we have anybody out in the, does any other commission have anything they'd like to talk about before we open it up for public comment and presentation?
I just want clarification, Director Lacy, I registered to go to the, in July. And so is there anything that I need to do or just come or?
For the conference event?
To the conference,
Nope, we have you registered and we have it documented. I think we haven't heard back from Commissioner Lopez and Commissioner Consu and Commissioner Reyes. So if you all could send over a note to Beth, letting her know if you intend to attend and which track you're going to attend. That's all we'll need, and we'll have all of your materials there the day of.
And do we have a table to sit at together, or we just come in and sit anywhere, or just?
Yeah, it's going to be set up as kind of just a chair with a desk, and probably two people can sit together.
Okay. Because there's different workshops, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Will we have badges?
Yes.
And for coming in the week of June the 27th, that you want us to come in?
I'll follow up with you all via email offline.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
A time that works for everyone.
All right. Okay, that's my questions.
Anyone else? Okay, great. Do we have anybody out there, for public comment, Director Lacy? I don't see anybody. Well, folks,
I guess we could just, remind everybody that Juneteenth celebration is Saturday. I don't remember what time,
from 11 to 5 at the Lincoln Center.
the Lincoln Center, okay, starting at 11, so keep that in mind, and, hopefully it'll be a little cooler, huh? Than today and tomorrow.
Absolutely.
And we also have T-shirts for sale too. They're $15, so please support the Friends of MLK.
Okay.
And then starting at 4 in Moline, is the Pride Fest Parade, and then it, gets back to the Bass Street Landing at 5 for that to start, and I think it goes till midnight. The Bass Street Landing, Pride that same day, so it's a very busy day.
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, great. So we got a pretty full day there to participate in some great activities and stuff. So that is great. Awesome. Any other comments or announcements before we proceed to adjourn? Okay, just on another note, thank you guys for being here today, taking time out to come and serve. Ask that you stay cool. Remember the heat advisory, and drink plenty of water. With that being said, I will accept the motion to adjourn. When is our next meeting, Jeff?
Our next one, I was just gonna look it up here,
Sorry about that. I mean, Commissioner Transu.
yes, it is July 12th. And, I will be back just in time for that meeting. So, unfortunately, that's why I want to help with the preparations for our anniversary event. I'm going to be out of the country for 2 weeks, so, but I'll be back in time for the next meeting.
Right. Okay. All right then. Well, hey guys. Awesome. At this time, I accept the motion to adjourn.
I, Effeline Boyd, so move.
Manager Upchurch Taylor seconds.
It's been properly moved by Commissioner Boyd, second by Commissioner Upchurch Taylor, that we adjourn this meeting. Are there any questions? There being no questions, all in favor will say aye.
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 Okay, guys, the motion is carried. Thanks again. Hey, stay safe and take care till the next meeting.
All right.
We'll see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.